Samsung users are sleeping on these 7 insane Galaxy features. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you 7 insane Samsung Galaxy features that most users are completely sleeping on. So stick around till the end because you're probably not using your phone to its full potential. Let's get into it. The first feature is Secure Folder. To turn this on, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Security. Then tap Secure Folder. Sign in with your Samsung account and set up a lock like a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Once it's ready, open Secure Folder and add the apps, photos, or files you want to keep private. This feels like a premium privacy feature, but it's already built into your phone. The second feature is Split Screen Multitasking. Open any app first, then tap the Recent Apps button. Tap the app icon at the top of the preview and select Open in Split Screen View. Now choose another app for the bottom half of the screen. This lets you use 2 apps at the same time, which is perfect for watching videos while chatting or browsing while taking notes. The third feature is Edge Panels. Go to Settings, tap Display, then turn on Edge Panels. Once enabled, you'll see a small handle on the side of your screen. Swipe it to open quick access to apps, tools, and shortcuts. You can customize it by tapping the settings icon inside Edge Panels and adding the things you use most. Feature number 4 is One-Handed Mode. Open Settings, go to Advanced Features, and tap One-Handed Mode. Turn it on and select either gesture or button activation. After that, swipe down from the bottom of the screen or double tap the home button to shrink the display, making it much easier to use your phone with one hand. The fifth feature is Scrolling Screenshots. Take a screenshot by pressing the power and volume down buttons together. When the screenshot toolbar appears, tap Scroll Capture to keep capturing more of the page. This is super useful for long chats, web pages, or receipts, and many people don't even realize it exists. The sixth feature is Ultra Power Saving Mode. To enable this, go to Settings, tap Battery and Device Care, then Battery, select Power Saving or Ultra Power Saving Mode depending on your device, and turn it on. Your phone will restrict background apps and stretch your battery life, which is a lifesaver on older devices. The final feature is Samsung Smart Backup. Open Settings, tap Accounts and Backup, then Backup and Restore. From here, you can back up your contacts, messages, call logs, and settings to Samsung Cloud. If you ever reset your phone or switch devices, everything can be restored without paying for third-party apps. So those were 7 insane Samsung Galaxy features that most users are completely sleeping on, and now you know exactly how to turn them on and use them. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Samsung tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.